This is a course overview for Ed 522. You will see that it's designed to support the program goals as well as our course goals and to support you in your final assignment. We started off the first week looking at education for the 21st century and thinking of ourselves as educational designers, which is a shift in thinking around curricular design. We look at trends influencing education and 21st century skills. In week 2, we start looking at educational design models. Two of the biggest ones influencing education and the workplace right now is ADDIE and Understanding by Design. And then we start really focusing in on what are those goals or standards that we'll be designing our Unit 2 and how do 21st century skills and habits of mind support that. Lastly, we'll be looking at enduring understandings and essential questions as a way to guide our instructional design. In week 3, we move on to responsive instructional planning, really focusing on differentiation and growth mindset. In week 4, we go on to learning and technology, learning at different types of technological tools. How do we determine and assess if it's an effective tool? And how do we help support deep learning? TPAC is a way to turn the assessment on ourselves and see how versed we are in using and selecting quality tools. In week 5, assessment that supports instruction will be the focus. We'll look at 21st century assessment practices and determine for our own professional and units for practice what the best pre-assessment, formative assessment tools are, and summative. And we'll look at how we use technology to support that assessment. In week 6, we begin to look at 21st century learning models again. And these are specific models of instruction that we will be exploring and selecting the ones that best support the learning objectives for our students. And we'll continue that in week 7. You'll have an opportunity to extend and refine and continue to work on that assignment until we put it all together at the end with our final instructional designs and with a rationale. And at the very last, we'll be doing the self-assessments. I encourage you all to explore our Moodle site, engage in the process and in the professional conversations. I look forward to getting to know you and supporting you in your professional journey. Thank you.